If you live in Orangeburg, South Carolina, you know how important it is to maintain the comfort of your home year-round. From sweltering summers to chilly winters, your home's energy efficiency plays a significant role in keeping your utility bills under control while enhancing indoor comfort. One of the most impactful ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is by replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models. Here's why this is a smart investment for your Orangeburg home. Lower energy bills. The most immediate and noticeable benefit of replacing old windows with energy-efficient ones is the reduction in your energy costs. Older windows, especially single-pane models, often allow heat to escape during winter and let warm air in during summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, increasing your energy consumption and utility bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed to prevent heat transfer, using advanced materials such as low-E glass coatings, gas fills, like argon or krypton, and insulated frames. These windows keep the temperature inside your home stable, meaning your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable environment. This can result in significant savings on your monthly energy bills, especially in areas with extreme seasonal fluctuations like Orangeburg. Increased home comfort. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, preventing drafts and cold spots. In Orangeburg, where temperatures can range from sweltering summers to chilly winters, maintaining comfort in your home is a top priority. Poorly insulated windows can let in unwanted cold air during the winter months, or allow hot air to seep in during summer, making your home feel uncomfortable no matter the season. With energy-efficient windows, you'll experience improved temperature regulation throughout your home, ensuring that every room stays comfortable. This makes your living space more enjoyable, whether you're relaxing in your living room during the summer or curling up with a blanket during the colder months. Enhance your home's curb appeal and value. Window replacement is one of the most cost-effective home improvement projects you can undertake to boost the value of your property. Modern energy-efficient windows come in a variety of styles and finishes, allowing you to choose windows that complement your home's architecture while improving its overall appearance. In addition to the aesthetic benefits, new windows signal to potential buyers that your home has been well maintained and upgraded with modern, energy-saving features. In a competitive housing market like Orangeburg's, energy-efficient windows can make your home stand out and increase its resale value. Reduce environmental impact. For environmentally conscious homeowners, energy-efficient window replacement is a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. By improving your home's insulation and reducing the energy required for heating and cooling, you'll use less energy overall, which translates to fewer greenhouse gas emissions. In an era where sustainability is becoming increasingly important, investing in energy-efficient windows is a responsible choice. Not only will you benefit from lower utility costs, but you'll also be doing your part to help preserve the environment for future generations. Protect your interiors from sun damage. Orangeburg's sunny climate means that UV rays can be particularly damaging to your home's interior over time. Sunlight streaming through traditional windows can cause furniture, flooring, and fabrics to fade or degrade. Many energy-efficient windows feature special coatings that block UV rays, helping to protect your interior from sun damage while still allowing natural light to fill your home. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you can prolong the life of your furniture, carpets, and other home decor while keeping your home bright and welcoming. Long-term durability and reduced maintenance. High-quality energy-efficient windows are built to last. They're often made with durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which require less maintenance than traditional wood frame windows. This means fewer repairs and replacements over the years, saving you both time and money in the long run. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows are designed to resist condensation, which can lead to mold and mildew buildup. This added protection enhances the lifespan of your windows and keeps your home's indoor air quality at its best. Conclusion: a wise investment for Orangeburg homeowners. Energy-efficient window replacement is a smart investment for homeowners in Orangeburg. With the potential for lower energy bills, improved comfort, increased property value, environmental benefits, and reduced maintenance, the advantages are clear. By replacing your old, inefficient windows with energy-efficient models, you're making a long-term investment that will pay off in both financial savings and enhanced quality of life. If you're ready to take the next step toward a more comfortable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly home, energy-efficient window replacement is a step in the right direction.